Good morning. Welcome to ICT class. We already studied about our first and second chapter, right? Okay. Today we are discussing about our third chapter. Okay? Our third chapter. What is our third chapter? Yes, concepts into pictures. Concepts into pictures is our third chapter. In this chapter, we are discussing about the software LibreOffice Draw. LibreOffice Draw. Okay. Yes. How can we open LibreOffice Draw? How can we open LibreOffice Draw? Yes, like LibreOffice Writer. Okay. Applications, Office, LibreOffice Draw. Applications, Office, LibreOffice Draw. Okay. Using this software, LibreOffice Draw, we can create and edit drawings, flowcharts, and logos by using this LibreOffice Draw. Okay. And we can create the concepts map also. Okay. Do you remember this concept map of Raja's family presented in your English course book? Do you remember Raja's family, based on Raja's family, a concept map? Okay. In your English course book. Okay. Let's create this concept map, this Raja's family's concept map into LibreOffice Draw. Okay. This Raja in brackets naughty, then grandfather in brackets tall and strong, and grandmother in brackets loving and caring, uncle in brackets friendly. Okay. We can create this concept map in LibreOffice Draw. Okay. First, we opened LibreOffice Draw. We opened LibreOffice Draw. Okay, applications, Office, LibreOffice Draw. Okay, and this is LibreOffice Draw, and this is the canvas, the working area of LibreOffice Draw. Okay, and this is the toolbox of LibreOffice Draw. Okay, and in the right side we can see a properties window. Okay, and this is a portrait orientation. Okay, and we can change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Okay. Yes, I can we can give the background color from here. Okay, if it is necessary. Okay, and this is the toolbox. Okay, we can add rectangles, circle, ellipses from here. Okay, and some smileys and star symbol like that. Okay. Yes, this is toolbox. Okay, now we are going to create the concept map of the Raja's family. Okay, the concept map of Raja's family. Okay, first just draw, select an ellipse tool, click on ellipse tool. Okay, then draw the shape. Okay, then you can move the shape from anywhere in this window. Okay, then just select the shape. Okay, in this page window, properties window, the area section. Okay, you can change the color of this shape. Okay, change the color of this shape. Okay, then this is the line option, outline option. You can select the uh, line style from here. Okay, and the width of the line also. Okay, yes. Then color of that line. We can give the color of the line. Okay, and this is a shape. We want three more shape. Okay, for that, just click on this shape and press and hold the control key. Okay, press and hold the control key and drag the mouse. Okay, yes, it's copied. Okay, then drag the mouse once more. Okay, then drag the mouse once more. Okay, okay, yes. Then now we can add this line, these three lines to the picture. Okay, click on this insert line option. Okay, then click on the starting point and drag and drop the mouse. Okay, then click on the starting point. Okay, then here also draw that line. Okay, yes. Next is you're going to add the text in that shapes. Okay, first is grandfather in brackets tall and strong. Okay, tall and strong, just double click on that shape. Okay, then type grandfather, next line, in brackets tall and strong, tall and strong. Okay, then grandmother, type grandmother. Okay, in brackets loving and caring, loving and caring. Then uncle, in brackets friendly. Okay, next is raja, our central character. Raja, it's Raja's family. Okay, Raja is a naughty boy. Raja, naughty. And we can increase the size of this text. Okay, from here. Okay, just double click on this in the shape and change the font size from here. And the font name also, first select the text and we can change the font name from here. Okay, and font color from here. Okay, then we can bold the text and italic, underline, or from here, this property window. Okay, yes. Okay, we created the concept map of Raja's family. Raja naughty, grandfather tall and strong, grandmother loving and caring, uncle friendly. Okay, next is saving this concept map. Okay, file, go to file, save. Can give a name, Raja. Okay, we can see a file named raja.odg here. Okay, this is the first activity of your third chapter, concepts into pictures. Right? Okay, let's wind up today's session. Okay, see you on next class. Okay, goodbye.